Good afternoon, my dear students, and today we are discussing about simple harmonic motion. Okay, what is a simple harmonic motion? Simple harmonic motion means, okay, the simple harmonic motion means simply we can say SHM. What we can say SHM. SHM means simple harmonic motion. But this simple harmonic motion, how to define? Simple harmonic motion means I will take the one pendulum clock. Okay, the pendulum. The pendulum is doing okay, periodic oscillations. Okay, the periodic oscillations and acceleration. This simple pendulum acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement. Directly proportional to the displacement is called a simple harmonic motion. Okay, simple students, we can say easily how to say acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement is called a simple harmonic motion. Okay, this simple harmonic motion, okay, this is formula is acceleration A is directly proportional to minus x. Okay, minus indicates okay opposite direction. Simple we can write mathematically W equal to okay A equal to acceleration A equal to omega square minus omega square x. This is the simple harmonic motion formula. Acceleration A equal to minus omega square into x. Okay, this is the simple harmonic motion. Next to periodic motion. What is the periodic motion? Okay, periodic motion. The periodic motion means we know that already. Okay, the periodic motion means the equal displacement and equal interval of time is called periodic motion. Okay, example, equal distance and equal interval of time is called periodic motion means the earth is revolving around the sun, that is called periodic motion. The earth is revolving around the sun, this is called periodic motion. Equal distances and equal interval of time, that is called periodic motion. Then after we are discussing about oscillatory motion. What is that? Oscillatory motion. What is the oscillatory motion? Okay, oscillatory motion means okay the to and fro motion or vibratory motion. To and fro motion, the periodic oscillation. Like this, I will take the okay simple pendulum. Okay, once you pull the simple pendulum is doing periodic oscillations. Okay, like this. Okay, the to and fro motion. The pendulum doing periodic motion is called what? Oscillatory motion. Okay, example is simple pendulum and pendulum clock. Okay, this is about okay simple pendulum. Next, I will discussing about okay, I am discussing about what next? Okay, simple pendulum. What next? Simple pendulum. Okay, simple pendulum. Simply we can derive the simple pendulum time period. Time period t equal to 2 pi into L by G under root. Time period t equal to what? 2 pi into L by G under root. This is the simple pendulum. Okay, simple pendulum derivation. I will take the one okay rigid support. I will attach the one metallic bob. This is the bob. This is the thread. The thread length is L. Once you pull this is doing the periodic oscillation like this. This is the distance is x. The downward downward force is mg. Okay, this is the mg. Okay, cos theta. Another one is mg. Okay, sin theta. Okay, this is the simple pendulum. The force acting downwards is mg cos theta. Now restoring force F equal to minus mg sin theta. But theta is very small. The theta is neglecting. Now how to write? Sin theta okay equal to theta. Now F equal to minus mg theta. Now F equal from Newton's second law. Okay, I will replace the F value. F equal to ma. Now minus mg theta. Both sides mn cancel. Now a equal to minus g theta. From this diagram, okay, from trigonometric diagram, angle equal to arc by okay what? Radius. Angle theta equal to arc means what? X. Radius means length L. The theta equal to x by L. This formula I will substitute in the equation. Now a equal to minus g to theta value x by L. This is the acceleration. From trigonometry we know that Okay, what is the, how to write? Acceleration A equal to minus omega square x. This is the two equations, 1 and 2 equations. LHS are equal. Then RHS, how to write? Minus g into x by L equal to minus omega square x. Both side x cancel. Minus minus also cancel. Now omega square equal to g by L. Now omega equal to g by L under root. Okay, this is the omega value. We know that time period formula. Time period what? Time period t equal to 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi by omega. Now t equal to 2 pi into omega value what? G by L under root. Now time period t equal to reciprocal means L by G under root. This is the time period simple quantum time period formula.